Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to the Red Zone, folks. I'm Michael. Today I will demonstrate an external module, EM, called Hide Randomization Values. The Hide Randomization Values EM hides the values on both the randomization dialog and the data entry form. The EM's action becomes useful in projects that will want to conceal the values of allocations when needing to assign records to a randomization group or site. Since this EM assumes that the internal randomization module is already enabled and set up in a project, for brevity, I have already enabled this project's randomization and completed a mock setup in advance. So the first thing that I'd like to show you is what REDCap provides without the EM enabled. So here I have a record that's already been established, record number 4. We're going to go ahead and randomize. And we see that by default, with the internal randomization, we have our record number, we have our record group, or randomization group rather, and we have our allocation, including its value. So this would be our dialog, and then behind, you can see that behind the scene here, you can see that REDCap has already assigned the value and it's displayed. So once I close out of this, it becomes clear this is a field that can no longer be edited from the user interface unless the appropriate settings are applied. So with that, we'll go into the external module configuration. So to configure, as with all external modules, a REDCap user will need the project design and setup enabled within their project user rights. So if we go into project and design, we apply that. And then additionally, we would want to be able to have setup, dashboard, and randomize enabled as appropriate. We'll go ahead and save the changes. And to enable a module, so for this module, we'll click on our manage link. And from here, we can see that it isn't enabled yet. So what we'll do is we'll click on enable a module, and we'll go ahead and highlight or search our module. And here we have our randomization. We'll go ahead and enable it on the right. Take note that the view documentation link is also available after the module is enabled, so you can see it within your project. We'll go into our configure. For this particular module, there's one setting option, a checkbox that allows admins to hide this module from non-admins in the list of enabled modules on the project. So no changes will be made to these settings, or to this setting. Now, with enable a module, we'll go ahead and create a record. Well, actually, we don't even have to create a record. What we'll do is we'll just go into the dashboard, and since it's enabled, we'll see that now it's actually, just so you can see that functionality, just by enabling the module, it becomes hidden. So our values are hidden within our data access group, or excuse me, within our data entry form. And we have randomized our record successfully. So noteworthy about this module is that anybody with the user rights, just as an advisement, be aware that anyone with any select randomization privileges in the user rights will not be blinded, or will be unblinded to the allocations and values assigned for records included in their PHI. So for example, if I go into our randomization module and I look at setup, obviously we have our PHI within it. And although where that becomes actually more concerning is where we have our allocations within our dashboard. So another thing to point out is that um, by assigning a group, this is also available within our dashboard. So those user rights would need to be assigned accordingly. As a reminder, just for extra help with randomization setup and its use, Red Cat provides a video link conveniently located at the top for a video, including more details. Also, don't forget the host of randomization videos that exists within our website. Just running a control find or command find will get you there, and you can see your randomizations. That concludes the hide randomization values.